What's going on, guys? Welcome to your 36th Python tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to make a subclass with multiple parent classes. So if we want to make a subclass with multiple, WTF is this? Get out of the way, Haas. If we want to make a subclass with multiple parent classes, we first need multiple parent classes. So let's go ahead and make a class called mom. She can be a parent. And let's go ahead and make a couple variables in her. Var1 equals, hey, I'm mom, and that's good enough for you, mom. Next, let's go ahead and make a class called dad and make variable 2. Make sure this is a different variable that was inside class mom. In variable 2 we'll put, hey there son, I'm dad. Hey dad, same thing, doesn't matter, I'm a dad. Now let's go ahead and make a class called child. Getting ahead of myself here. Class child. And now if you want to inherit multiple traits from different classes, all you have to do is type in the class names right there, mom and dad, and as your argument, or not your argument, whatever this is called in here, all you have to do is press pass. And what pass means is do nothing, because we don't want it to do anything. We can actually have another variable, and we want var3 and have it equal to I'm a new variable. And I know I typed everything wrong in this entire tutorial, but just bear with me here. And once you have this, your child class now inherited all the variables from mom and dad. So let's go ahead and make a child object. So child object, shouldn't have made it that long, but too late now, equals child class. And let's go ahead and now once we have an object, we can access all the variables from any of these classes, mom, dad, or the child class itself. So let's go ahead and child object dot var1 equals hi, I'm mom. So what it did is go into this class and says, alright, I'm inheriting all the variables of this. So even though we're using an object in this class, we can still get the variables in this. And this works for var2 as well, which was in the dad class originally. So what was it, child object var2. So even though you don't exactly write the variables in the child class itself, you can use multiple classes, or what they're called superclasses, and the smaller one where what inherits the traits is called a subclasses, and these are also called parents and child, even though I wrote mom and dad and those are actual parents. Funny how that works. So that is how you can use a class to inherit all the properties of a parent class. So this just saves you a bunch of typing if like the mom class and dad class had a bunch of different variables that you wanted to use, but you didn't want to type them all in the child class. And like usual, you can also use the variables that are in the child class itself. So again, that is how you can use the different items in either classes just by adding the name of the class in your parameter. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned a little bit about how to get subclasses with multiple parents. And if you have any questions, you can just send me a message. Other ways, or I guess that's all for now. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next tutorial.